left me in here so with no key.
Where you learn the position you're from?
He gotta do better. He has to do better. I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna. My clothes are very A glass broke and she cut her hand. Outfit of the day. I feel so girly. I feel so girly. I feel so... I don't know if it's ever know. I just feel so good. Going on the road to go run some errands with Babe, and then I have work, so I'll be working while I'm at it. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, welcome all my new subscribers. My name is Chevelle. You can call me Chev. Welcome to That's So Chev. As you guys know, I never know what the vlogs are gonna be about unless it's like specific that I have something coming up. I have nothing doing right now, so yeah. How did you guys like the birthday vlog? Chime in, let me know in the comments down below. How did you guys like the birthday vlog? Oh gosh, Hobby and I have some stuff on the road doing, and I'm getting some work done. And we're probably gonna get something to eat. I don't know where we're going, so yeah, it's hot. He's gone with the key. I'm burning up. Oh, you left me in here so with no key, and the car is boiling. Wait, they left me for my heat stroke. understand. What do you mean by what do I...
What you know about Susie's?
What do you mean?
Everywhere you go, me, you go. So, when you got Susie's, I
So
mean,
you feel like me not know places too?
When since?
You feel like me never yet know nowhere?
Me never tell you that. Mr. Ask you what you know about Susie's. Who tell you about Susie's?
I know Susie's exist.
Who care about Susie's?
What you mean who care
Yes,
about
cause
Susie's?
how you end up at Susie's and me not, me know me not care.
You asked me what I want to eat.
Me not say name.
And I'm answering you. May I say if Susie's they're far from right here, so.
Me not say name, but me say how you know about Susie's. Who tell you about Susie's?
Me know about Susie's.
When since?
I been know about Susie's. Why you never even talk about Susie's?
That's why me I wonder. Me know say
The audacity.
If you see me come in and turn you in one position where me never turn you in before, you must have wonder where you learn the position you're from. All of these years,
True.
and yes, you turn me in this. You see me start do something what me and normally do. You know, must have wonder. Okay, this is nice, but where
me
you
only
learn?
ask about a restaurant. Me only ask about a
say
food
no.
place. It's just like me would have asked about KFC, so what's the difference?
KFC, where everybody know. What you know about?
But what you mean, Susie? So everybody knows Susie's.
You know about that.
Everybody knows Susie's, so I don't know what you mean by that.
Okay.
Everybody.
Do you have your Susie's money?
Are you asking me want to eat so much you are going to pay for it?
Give me 3,087 then. Good evening. Huh?
Only
Give me
9.
90. 3,000.
Are you asking me want to eat? I'm going to say, wonder how far Susie's there from here.
I answered that about 30 minutes ago.
Not no 30 minutes ago, you asked me that about 15 minutes ago.
I answered that long time.
You can tell the truth, sir. But what me know about Susie's.
I don't know what you know about Susie's.
You forget that that's where my hairdresser used to be?
Yeah? We never did.
Right, and Susie's is like right there.
Listen, Mr. Axel, what you know about it?
So why you feel like say you did have to be the one for show me there? Wait, did you want to show me there? You didn't want to wait for show me there? Carry me there? I mean, I've never been there.
This is so.
I bought food there.
You
I've
buy
never
food at
been
Susie's?
in Susie's
You buy food at Susie's?
when I was at my hairdresser.
You didn't reach bougie?
I want time to buy food there. It's not. You want an expensive? Try your backside.
He's not. And then I'm going to show you what good prospect really looks like. But I'm going to show you the truth of this dog.
I want a burger. A burger is what I want. I already want it. No. I think I had their burger one time. What's your recommended burger? Yeah. Beef. Beef preferably. It doesn't matter. Any one of them.
So you like...
Good night, guys. Good night. So we're gonna give it a quick joke. Today's Saturday, and hubby decided that we're gonna do a little impromptu jump and go somewhere. So we're in Ochi. It is 9:20, right? From yesterday, I asked my husband, "What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing?" He's like, "Don't worry yourself." I'm like, you guys know me. I don't like to do things and we don't have a set plan. All right, cool. Come and watch it tonight. We've been looking places from where on the highway. We don't book nowhere for lay our head. Okay? We don't book nowhere to lay our head. We just stay here. So we looked on hibiscus. I liked hibiscus. We looked on San Anton. We looked on couple. They're booked out. I'm gonna say to himself, from hibiscus book out. what if everybody else is booked out? What are you gonna do? He's like, well, we just take back the highway. I'm like, take back the highway? I said, sir, you carry me out of my house, you better carry me go somewhere else, okay? You better carry me go somewhere else. So right now we are at Ocean Palm, trying to see if they have any availability. When we usually come here, or we came here the 2 times that we came here, parking lot is usually empty. Right now there is no parking. There is no parking right now. When he saw it, he said, Jesus Christ, babe, I say, yeah man, I tell you, I say you cannot do these things. You have to plan. You have to have a plan in place. You have to call these places and find out what is what and go from there. So you can't just talk about, oh, you just want to impromptu get up and go to a hotel. No, we can't do that. We can't do that. So if you guys see me looking around, it's because we're in a dark spot. So I have to be, watching my surroundings. A girl doesn't just sit and relax. But I'll update you guys on whether or not we get a room or not, or whether we have somewhere to lay our head, because I have no clue what's going on. Update, it's 9:32. Hubby came back in and said they have alright, so fun fact about me. I'm sorry, I only like ocean views. Chevelle, don't see the point of going somewhere where I'm just gonna get a garden view. I don't want to look at the trees. Where I live, I see plenty of trees. I don't need to look at any trees where I'm going, right? So I don't want to see no trees. The room that they have is a partial view, so it's not a full view. And then they were sending us to go somewhere else. When I look, I don't see no lights upstairs in what seems to be the rooms. Maybe those rooms are not booked. Maybe they don't have any customers or clientels. But I'm sorry, everybody deserves a winning chance. But I'm sorry, when it comes to where you lay your head, I play no games. Okay, I want to go back home to my 2 little boys. I want to come back and come to YouTube. I don't want to come read about me. I don't want to listen about me. Listen about me by ear, so right here. So when I'm talking, not when somebody else is telling about me, no. So we're gonna take the partial view, just so that we can have somewhere to lay our head and call it a night. I wanted some jerk chicken, but I don't know. You got comment down below, those of you who live in Jamaica. Is it me, or is the jerk chicken not hitting the same anymore? I feel like those who are doing jerk chicken these days, it does not taste good anymore. It does not taste like jerk chicken. It tastes, I don't know. I'm not liking it. I'm not liking the roadside jerk chicken. I'd rather go to like Pepper Time. I'd rather go to like places where I don't know. I'm not trying to knock anybody whose hustle is there, but I'm just not liking the jerk chicken lately. I'm not liking it. So when my husband asks me, baby, you want some jerk chicken? I'm like, He's like, let me set up. So that's how I'm feeling. So I'll let you guys know when we reach upstairs. But he got to do better. He has to do better. When it comes to laying our head, he has to do better. So no luck to get somewhere in Ochi. Babe said the room that he saw at the hotel, he didn't think I would be pleased with it. Why, Chevelle, didn't you go out there and look? I don't want to do all of that right now. Go find out if there's a room. If there's a room, are we gonna stay? So I think they gave him the room, and then he went upstairs, checked it out, and when he checked it out, he said, babe, you would not like that room. Knowing the nature person you are, you would not like that room. Same, go back downstairs and collect your money same time. So we're going back into Kingston. So we're either gonna probably go to AC Hotel or the Rock Hotel. I'm just like, let's just go next weekend. He's like, nope. So we gotta ourselves somebody who we think will be around for a little bit. We don't know yet. We're not sure, but if she's gonna be around, we hope every month to be going somewhere. We hope to be doing something every month. So if it works out, then I could be giving you guys travel content and Jamaica travel content, showing you guys, you know, like the little hotels and Airbnbs and villas of Jamaica that you have not gone to yet and that you can go to. So if we're gonna make it into a series, we'll make it into a series. So I'll let you guys know about that. I'll let you guys know if that's gonna work out. So back to Kingston we're going, but first some jerk chicken.
Yeah.
Is it somebody's car or just the...
No, it's from a James Bond movie. It was it's an exact replica of the one used in the James Bond movie.
So it's just here.
Yeah. That way. Yeah.
Appreciate it very much. Good night, guys. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night, guys. Oh, that's what a man do. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It is maybe about 1 o'clock in the morning. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning. Because he was adamant that he's not taking me home. So here we are. I'm gonna take a look at wash off and Then we're gonna go down by the little chill area. The bar and everything is closed, but it's still there to chill. So we're gonna chill. I'm gonna put back on this dress. So if you see me back in my dress, don't say nothing to me, okay? Yeah, it's a good thing I curled up my hair. I mean, down here it was a little trim, but I landed his thing. I'm glad I had wore this dress. I'm so happy with the things that I took out to put on. We're just gonna be here until tomorrow. It's just so that, you know, we can get a different scenery, a different place to sleep. Sometimes my husband and I, we like to just not be at home and not sleep once we have the money to just not be home. Yeah, I feel so good. I don't think you guys understand. I'm about to go in this warm shower and then we're gonna walk up and down. We're gonna explore a little bit more about the hotel, and learn a little bit more about it. Yeah. So I'll see you guys downstairs. I'll call you back, guys. I'll call you back, I promise. I'll try. If I'm not having too much fun, I'll try. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome to another day in the vlog. Welcome to another day in the vlog. So today we're checking out. I don't want to leave. I don't want to go. I don't want to go home just yet. Checkout is at 12. So we're gonna go get some breakfast, and after breakfast we're gonna go to the pool. And we're gonna pack our bags, pack up all our things, put them in the car, and just, you know, check out basically. But we're gonna stay on the property. We're gonna go, as I said, we're gonna go to the pool, chill out at the pool, and enjoy ourselves. We're not gonna rush to go home. We don't have nothing to rush to go home to. It's been a good couple of hours. We've been here since 1 o'clock this morning. It's been really good. I have enjoyed myself thoroughly. I love the hotel, and I would want to come back here again, but there's so much to explore, and there's so much to see, and there's so much to learn, and there's so much to do. So I want to just explore. I would say though, I would come back here and come into this room and do like content, like story time, sit down. The lighting is just perfect. Everything just seems so very perfect in this room. The staff, customer service, 10 out of 10 so far. Everybody greets you good morning. Everybody greets you good night, I should say. Well, technically it was morning when we got here, so that's why. But yeah, it's been really good. So yeah. The sleep last night was really good. It was really good. The duvet, on the underneath duvet, the bottom part of the duvet, it has like this nice warm fleece, and I just love that. I love it. The bottles that are on the counter, they're not complimentary. They are what they put their filtered water in. So if you come to S Hotel, do not take people them bottle, okay? It is not complimentary. It's for water. It's for them to refill the water. But it's been really good. My husband and I love it here. It's just and it's just, it's aesthetically pleasing, you know what a girl likes. And then I'm just seeing things that I want to do in my home. I'm just seeing things that I want to, you know, the TV, everything. I just love it. Hi. Yeah, so we're gonna do what we gotta do, and then we're gonna go down and enjoy the rest of our morning. So I'll see you guys down at breakfast, okay? Make sure you're there before I am. So see you later.
They don't stand a chance, they can never come be. I know that I'm covered, you're always with me. 'Cause my God is real. Lord, I know they wanna see us down, but we ain't going out like that. 'Cause my God is real. Now the day goes by where I don't think you always stay down and you always stay true. I don't know what I would do without you. You by my side, I can't lose. They don't stand a chance, they can never come be. I know that I'm covered, you're always with me. 'Cause my God is real. Lord, I know they wanna see us down, but we ain't going out like that. 'Cause my God is real. It's like you come in perfect time, and even through the shade you keep me shining. Off track till you passed out in the line. 2 plus 2 stress, so I've been grinding. Now the day goes by where I don't think you always stay down and you always stay true. I don't know what I would do without you. You by my side, I can't lose. They don't stand a chance, they can never come be. I know that I'm covered, you're always with me. 'Cause my God is real. Lord, I know they wanna see us down, but we ain't going out like that. 'Cause my God is real. Lord, I know they wanna see us down, but we ain't going out like that. 'Cause my God is real.
Faithful and patient, yes, you gotta see every single time you need him. I promise he'll be right there. Want you to believe if you get up on your knees, he can wipe away every tear. Why don't you wait for the king? Why don't you wait for the king? Why don't you put down those dreams and get with the Lord and Savior? Get with the Lord and Savior. Get with the Lord and Savior. Get with the Lord and Savior. Open my mouth to give him praise. Open my lips to give him grace. God is the king of my life. God is the king of my faith.
Bathing suit of the day. Y'all seen me in this a million times before. Remember, my clothes, I wear it however many times I want to. And I don't like to show a lot of skin until I reach into the water. So, it's a one piece, but I just bend it over. So, that's what we're doing. I'm waiting on my husband to finish doing some business, and then we get going. Because it's almost checkout time. Yeah, it's almost checkout time. So, see you guys in the pool. Bye room. Bye S Hotel. See you another time, okay? Alright, bye.
Look what you created. Everything surrounding me, you made so beautiful the way it flows together. I think I hear birds singing your praises. Amen. I swear you make me feel like I'm your favorite. Oh, it's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation singing with me. It's the way the fruit grows and knows when to let go. And it's time again for a new season. I feel like you did it for me, yeah. Listen to the water, listen how it flows. You really thought of everything. I wonder how much I'm just getting caught up in things you never meant me to. All that this world could offer will never satisfy me like just being with your father. Oh, wow. It's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. It's the way you love me.
When I say I don't want to go home, I don't want to go home. This is the life I should be living every week. This is the life I want to be living every week. But I'm grateful because it gets you to appreciate what you have. So when you do get to do these things, you're like, yeah, work harder.
And it's crazy to think in the midst of it all, you already knew my name. And the more that I see you, the more I'm in awe. I can't help but feel this way. It's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me.
You see, life has a way of dealing with you. While we're here having the time of our life, get a call from the babysitter that a glass broke and she cut her hand. It's not bad, it's not severe, it's not, Then we get another call from our employee that something's going wrong at the shop with water. So we have to now leave when we didn't plan on leaving just yet. What's going on with this lighting? Hold on. Yeah, so we did not plan on leaving just as yet, but we're gonna have to leave because we're gonna have to see what's going on at the shop and then make sure the babysitter is good. She said our kids are fine, so that's good, but we just want to make sure that she is all good. Listen, I had content that I wanted to capture. I bought this from Telson, and I still need to capture content for this so that I can promote it and have my link and whatever. If you guys are interested, when I drop the video, just give me some time. My phone is dying, so I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.